Hey guys, and welcome back to another new release video. Today I have an exciting sheet of stickers. This is Kit. She is a new character. She is Tigro's little sister, and Kat, who is Tigro's girlfriend's best friend. So I have a sheet here of just all her on her own. Then I have this really cute one of her drinking some iced coffee. I mean, seriously, she's definitely happy and enjoying that. Then I have her and Tigro just chilling. And then her and Kat just chilling. So those are the 4 new character sticker sheets that are available. I also have a full new kit collection, and this is the Coffee Addict collection. And this is probably my favorite full box because it was so much fun to make and make the butterfly look like it is in the cream or foam. So you have your full boxes, your bottom washi page, and some checklists, date covers, functional headers, functional and half boxes. So there's that, and then you also have the mini kit version, which looks like this, and these are side washi strips. There's 2 of them, and you can add on the sheet, which is called the add-on sheet, and it has little headers, and you can also add on the extra half box or full boxes. I've also made it easier for you to add on the kit extras, which are these. You have your glitter headers, your date covers, and then extra half and quarter boxes. I used to have these just listed on their own, but now they are listed on their own and as a drop-down option in both the main kit and the mini kit. So these are all the new releases this week. Go check it out on my website, thebutterflyplanner.com. Bye!